coronaviruses and stuff. Did you kids know that? Did you pick up on that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, go ahead, Macy.
Does anybody have their hand up?
Nope.
Alana.
Thanks. Appreciate that. Because like Macy said, there's a bunch of them before. So it's saying that it wasn't created in the lab because it was around before, like it got worse. This is just a worse case than what it was. So like we're taking it more seriously, right?
Yeah. And they talked about, they talked about like the gene sequences. What do we know about the gene sequences? Anybody? Like, what does that even mean?
The sequence.
Mark.
That they're all very different, and the genotypes, they're all different.
Yeah, they're essentially talking about the genotypes, right? Mm-hmm. So like the order of the bases and things like that. And then they talked about the two different parts, the grabber and the cleavage, which is like the little space. What does the grabber part of the virus do? Anybody remember?
It connects to the body cells in our body.
Okay, yeah, like grabs onto our cells and kind of like goes into our cells. And this is like pretty typical of viruses. They have these weirdo shapes and things on them that help them move and get in a cell. So this isn't too abnormal for a virus. Somebody told me about the natural selection part of the article. Macy?
Weren't they kind of like evolving or like changing themselves to suit like the person inside of them? So then that's how we got like different types of it.
Yeah, they're kind of like talking.
I said the person inside them. The thing that they're inside.
Yeah, so they either think they evolved once they were in humans, or they evolved in a pangolin, which is like an anteater. If they evolved in the pangolin and then came into us, that would be worse than if they came to us and then evolved. Anybody know why it'd be worse if they evolved before they came to us? Kira?
Because there could be multiple outbreaks, and this could happen all over again if it evolved before entering us, or if it's after it entered us. Then once we get rid of it, it's done.
Yeah.